he likes.
And if I ask you, if you think about the flying cars, which company would you have in mind?
Flying cars? I mean, the only thing I can think of is, do you know the Mercedes Star with like the three, it's like on air, on water, on road or something. But a car company with flying cars, I don't know.
Yeah, they're investing on some cars. And let me ask you another question. If you think about the robots, like the robot dog,
Yeah.
what would you think about?
Oh, that's Boston Dynamics.
Yes, they're very good at it. And autonomous driving, which cars? Is there any company?
Funny enough, Tesla, but I think there's other competitors, specifically from Europe. They're definitely on their game. They're like maybe faster even.
Yeah. So XPeng is a company that offers all of them.
Okay.
Like electric cars, autonomous driving, robot dogs, and flying cars.
Nice.
Yeah, that's what they're positioning
That's
already.
That's also their name. Right, Peng. That's definitely fun. Sounds very.
Their Chinese name is like Xiaopeng, and it's actually named after also their founders. Yeah, but of course, when they have the English name, they always think you need to have this like surprising to give people some impressions on the brand already. So what it can manage now is like giving way to the oncoming non-motorized vehicles. And if you see the street there, it's actually not only a random vehicle, like a motorcycle thing on the vehicle road, but also it's approaching.
Yeah.
So even for a normal driver, that would be something super.
That would definitely interrupt you.
Yeah, but it kind of recognize that and manage to go around. And also this is super classic, like a urban traffic situation. Like you have a lot of cars and the car can guide itself well.
Okay.
And the driver, you can see there, he's basically just sitting there, like still having hands on it, but the car is driving itself. It's just a safety driver.
Yeah, I mean, he's ready to go. Like he has his hands not on the wheel, but like really, really going. Yeah.
Yeah, and it is also, I guess, legal and regulatory requirements. Like
That's also a different car, right? Because they have the vertical screen, so that's a different type of car than we looked at earlier.
I also mentioned that they're producing flying cars, and these are robot dogs, right?
Yeah.
Let's start with the flying cars. It's called a flying cars, but that's as simple as it goes. It's just like flying.
It's almost like a helicopter, right?
Yeah, and I think the good part is you do not need some lesson for that. So
But I need a no specific license.
no.
That's interesting. Okay. Oh wow. That's definitely a flying car. Can you put that full screen?
Yeah.
Go a little bit back to the moment it goes. Yeah. Somewhere there. So you're just going on the side, getting your car ready. It gets its helicopter style, and you just fly away.
And it looks like, can you see?
I'm happy. They're having a good time with their car. That seems to be a little bit too futuristic. Like, how are they in development? I mean, now you have your car somewhere completely up the hill in the Rockies, in the mountains. I mean, I like it, but that's a nice, very futuristic commercial.
Very futuristic
so,
commercials.
so how far is that? And it's called HT Aero, right? XPeng below HT Aero.
And this is like flying car now.
That's their current state, right?
Yes.
So very ambitious.
They are flying. If you see the video here, it's working somehow like that.
So that looks like a supersized drone.
And they just posted this on the Chinese social media. Like you can see that as the Chinese version of the Twitter. It's called Weibo, and they posted that there.
Yeah.
And it's brought some discussions on this topic as well. Of course, that's a little bit far away from what
I mean, I like the second part too, but it's I would definitely prefer the first version.
someday soon. Yes, and that's what they are at the moment. I give you the third part of the robot pony. That's how they call it.
That's the same company, and they're doing a dog with the G9 wagon in the background.
Or they call that a robot pony.
It's a pony.